Hello, so this is Joivin from Joivin Poultry Farm, and today in today's video I want us to feed our chicken. As you know, Joivin Poultry Farm deals with the poultry, the chicken and the ornamental birds, and also we have pigs. Actually, we have pigs that we started recently, and I'm so happy because two of my pigs just gave birth. One gave me 10 piglets and another one gave me 16 piglets. We chop the banana stem into smaller pieces like this, and then we subject it into a fermentation process. But before we ferment them, we mix them with maize jam. Or those people who cannot access the maize jam, we can use whole maize. You grind them and bring the unga, mix in a ratio of 1 to 2. I know other people are asking themselves, like, what does banana stem has that it is beneficial to our chicken? It has a lot of fiber. It helps in their guts, like in the digestion process. Today I'm going to be showing you this banana stem mixed with maize jam, and then we'll ferment it for 4 days. Then immediately after 4 days, I'm going to be inviting you also that we may see the outcomes, and then we go feed the chickens directly. When I'm done with this, I'll be inviting you that we may also go measure them. Here we have 10 kg. So in this 10 kg, we need around 20 kg of maize jam. Guys, let's go for maize jam and proceed with the fermentation process. This is maize jam. So let's measure. This is around 20 kg. Now let's do the fermentation process. So the first thing you are going to mix them. We'll be mixing that one, and then the mixing process begins. So after mixing, we'll use this container. So we'll be putting them inside, then we'll add water together with molasses. We are not going to fill it because we need a small space whereby the whole process is going to be taking place. So what we need next is water and molasses. We'll be using molasses because it is an agent that is going to speed up the fermentation process, and also it will act as a preservative to preserve our ingredients from rotting. So I'll need around 1 or 2 cups of molasses. It depends on how much your mixture is versus water. You can boil water. So the first thing we'll be mixing water with together with molasses. I hope you are seeing. So guys, this is a mixture of molasses and water. So before we continue, I would like to request you that if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. You may also like and share so that many other people can learn. You know, we have very many farmers out there who are like, God, What am I going to use? That we have simple things like this. So the next thing, we are going to mix all the ingredients, that is molasses, water, the maize germ, and everything. So guys, what we have actually done, we've actually mixed them. Emmanuel, say hi to my viewers. Hi. Yeah. So what we have actually done, we've mixed all the ingredients. It is so good. So we are going to close this one, that is airtight, for about 4 days. So today we are going like 3 more nights or 4 more nights, and then we are going to open this together, guys. Until then,